You ready to work, Emma? Let's get it done. Hi everybody, welcome back. This install is so easy, even a baby could do it. Oh, Emma just started the Ryker. Good job, Emma. She's starting the bike. If only she knew how to twist the throttle, she'd be gone. All right, today we're gonna get rid of this bottle holder off of the handlebar and make it a more clean install by installing it right over here. Ready to help, Emma? Yeah? All right, let's do this. What we're gonna do is just take off this. This is my old bottle holder, and it's very easy to uninstall. So my goal is to have a nice clean handlebar. Hi, Emma. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the screws that come on the bike. And I'll show you exactly where those are. This install's super, super, super easy. All right, so we're gonna take off these two screws right here. And the top one is very easy. You can use anything, you know, a regular, you could use a torque to get it out. But the bottom one, because of the space here, it is, it's really, really tight. So I had to get use a socket. And the socket that I'm using is 8mm. So it's an 8mm socket to get these screws out, get these bolts out. Today is such a beautiful day in Florida. It is a random cold front that came in, and I'm loving it. So I wanted to run out and get some stuff done. And while I'm doing this, I want to talk about, for a second, the awesome decals I just ordered and received from Budweiser 365 is his YouTube channel, so check him out. And he also does decals as like a part-time thing. I don't know if you can see the decals, but I'll zoom in on that in a minute. And it's really cool. He gives you 2 decals for $7. And anyone watching this channel, and you mention that you heard about it from Ryker Rides, from watching this, that he will send you a 3rd one free. So what do you do with the 3rd one? I put it on my helmet. It looks awesome. And just follow the instructions and it stays on really nice. It's a great product. He's very meticulous, so if for some reason you're not happy with it or whatever, you just let him know and, you know, he'll solve the problem for you. And it comes in, I think, 8 different colors. He can design certain letters one color, you know, so he does basically the Ryker decal. And it looks so cool on the bike. Basically anything you can do to make the bike your own, I'm all for. Alrighty, so what we have here these are the screws that came out of the bike, and these are the bolts that are going to hold on the water bottle to this, okay? This is metal. This is what you're paying the extra money for, is this really cool design. It's really one of a kind. So it's going to go on here, and then your water bottle is going to go here. So to get started, we're going to attach this first. I do need a Phillips head screwdriver, which I failed to bring out. Hello, Emma. You gonna help? Yeah. Yeah? Can you pass me that? Can you pass me that nut? Right there. So cute. Thank you, what a great helper. Okay, hold on to that one for me.
I'll fix it.
You're gonna fix it? But that goes on here.
Yeah.
I got a little distracting, cute little helper. Aw, look how cute, she's helping. Emma, you're such a good helper. Emma, can I get, can you give me one, can you pass me that? Awesome. See? I told you it was so easy. A little baby, little kid can help.
I fixed it.
You did fix it. Hold on 1 second. Let me finish this.
Oh.
So these screws just go right in here. And then you just need a basic Phillips head screwdriver to tighten everything back up. Thank you for your help, Emma. And then you go through and, hold on, I think I did this wrong. Hold on. Ah, I put it on backwards. See, I got distracted by the cuteness. I'm glad I didn't tighten it yet. All right, so you got to think about it, that it's going to go on. It's going to go on this way. And it fits perfectly the way with this slot here. So it's going to go on this way. So your water bottle holder is going to go this way. So it makes sense to figure that out first. I'm going to go grab my Phillips head screwdriver. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm back with a Phillips head screwdriver, and let me tighten these up. It does need to get tightened more, but I'll do that when I'm off camera. And then all you have to do now is just slide this in. It's a very weird angle to kind of get in there to tighten them. I can tell you that, but when it's all said and done, it's going to be great. Okay, your 8mm socket is your best friend with this install. So what I did to tighten these, so now it's like super tight, it's not going anywhere. So I just held the socket on the back of the bolts and then used my Phillips head screwdriver to tighten it on both of these. Then put my socket back together, and then I went through and tightened all these. And they are not going anywhere, and it's the perfect size to get in there. Okay, so now it looks great. And I just wanted it to be, I just got a black or gray water bottle. I was thinking about getting a blue one. I just want it to be real smooth. This water bottle happens to be a hydro flask. I've had it for a while. I didn't buy it special. And it just, everything kind of just looks real tight. So it just looks so great. Okay, so if you're interested, I will post the link to this Provenance Spyder accessory. And also, I will post the link to these awesome decals by Budweiser 365. He has an Etsy page that you could actually do your ordering from and pay right there. Shipping super fast. I can't say enough good things. And also, I am very impressed with how nice this looks on the bike. So if you look at the bike now, I just like to have as much things off of the bike as possible. So I'm going to sit on it real quick and just show you how nice it looks, and that it does not affect. Oh, watch your knee. I've never done that before. Anyway, I got on the bike weird because of the microphone, and that's why I hit my knee. I should probably edit that out. Okay, so, ow. Okay, so this does not move at all. It is totally stable. It is on there, so solid. So boom, throw it back in. It is, it's great. And it doesn't hit your knee like when you're braking. It just, everything just feels great. I'm very happy with it. That's it. Have a great week. Bye. Emma, can you fix my bike? Good job, Emma. You did it. Thanks for helping me, Emma. Can you say bye? See you next week? Say-
Bye.